Alright, so what I've done here is I've created an arm function which will actually work relatively well for the rest of the neck, the head, any other moving functions on the Panda. It's pretty universal. So I got some NeoPixel stuff here, just sensor read stuff, switch statements to from the incoming commands, and then down here I just have one function that'll work for both forward, backward, and all that, instead of 5 different functions, 5 different settings. Alright, so what this is essentially, with the potentiometer and the motor, is just a big servo. Okay, I have my H-bridge running the motor. I have the potentiometer being read by the Arduino on 3.3 volts, so I get a little bit more precision. And then the rest of this stuff will be added in later, but this will be the main microcontroller for it, and this will receive data from that one, which will select where I want my arm position. They don't go both ways right now, really. I mean, they do handshakes, but later on I'll get temperature sensors and stuff on here, and then they can send data back and forth. Alright, in the meantime, I'm prototyping still with the Uno instead of, again, with the FTDI boards, because I find that it's just a lot simpler to prototype with the Uno. I get less communication issues. And then once it's all cemented on here, I'll go ahead and upload it on there, and then we'll be good to go. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my serial monitor right now, and right there, and I'll hit this, and then it's moving to the exact position I want it to. There we go. Let me auto stop, auto scroll. I'll go back up here, and you'll see here that the incoming command was switch statement 3, which is put the position at 512 of 0 to 1024, well, 1 to 1024 really. So then it selects the arm move function, and then the sensor value is at 110, and we want to get to 512, so it starts moving it. And as you can see, these values here are the actual current position, and this is the value target that we want. And so as it goes down, it keeps moving, keeps reading. Once it hits above 512, then it stops. Final position ended up being 517 because the motors aren't as precise as a servo. It does roll a little bit. No problem, I'm fine with that. It does not keep its current position. If Panda's arm is too heavy, gravity will bring it back down again, but it'll no longer be reading. Arm movement was completed. Now it goes back to looking for incoming commands again from the other sender units. So my programming is complete. That only took 7 hours. That's what I got so far. And then the